Welcome to Beta Breakdown. We're checking out this purple route on the 50. First thing I do is this undercling, just step up into it, go for that really good hold on the right. Now this part is tricky. What I do is I grab it as a pinch, prep my right foot on top of that volume. That's got to make the gas on a little easier, and it also helps me fall into the side pull. Now from this position, it's pretty comfortable. I just need to go for this really good pinch. I'm kind of rocking towards higher because I'm gonna go for that crimp right there. Now the rest of the routes are just crimps, and we shouldn't worry about crimps because they're just jugs for your finger pads. In this case, I think this was like maybe half pad or full pad. I don't remember, but I do remember my fingers hurting afterwards.